Hi there, in this video I'm going to show you how to draw perfect shapes with the help of S Pen on the Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. Let's get started. And I'm going to show you this on the example of notes application, so let's create a new note first. And now let's just draw something like we would normally do, for example a heart. And as you can see, I'm not an artist and a little bit clumsy, so the heart is just not perfect. And let's erase it. And here select a type of pen we want to use and a color. For example, let's switch to the red one. And now I'm going to show you how to make perfect shapes. Let's do the heart as well, but in that case we are gonna hold our S Pen on the screen at the final point. So just draw like you would normally do, but now hold it at the final point, and now you have your perfect heart. You can do just the same with stars, for example, with triangles, squares, and any type of shapes. Well, let's just do it once more with a square, and here it is. Now we can also use this icon to just highlight everything, and now we can copy it, paste, cut, delete, and see these three dots. And now, for example, change style. Here we can switch to another color, for example this blue one, and now this is how it looks. So that's it for today. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you for watching.